What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am Dr. Leanna. I'm going to be doing a recipe video today. Maybe I'll throw in an adjustment later on. But this is going to be a recipe from my flexible dieting cookbook, which is live now. If you want to go check it out on the site, I'll put as the first link in the description box. I'm going to give you guys some free access into one of my favorite recipes, which is the protein donuts. They are delicious. So we're going to get right into this recipe. The oven is set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and the main item that you need for this recipe is the donut pan. And you can pretty much get this anywhere: Amazon, Target, Walmart. I'll link it down below too, just if you guys want to check it out. But if you don't have this, then unfortunately you can't make donuts. So for the wet ingredients, we're going to be using pumpkin, plain Greek yogurt, a whole egg whites, stir that all up together. Next is the dry ingredients. So I'm going to be using the Quest protein powder. I usually use Quest or Pea Science. I just find that they cook the best just because they have a casein blend. You can use vegan proteins, other just whey concentrate proteins. I'm just not sure how well the recipe will turn out. I think that this just cooks the best. We're going to be using coconut flour. These are the two main flour type ingredients. Also, you can use a sweetener of choice, stevia, whatever. I'm just going to be using some ground cinnamon. After you combine all your dry ingredients, you want to mix it up just so when you add it to the wet ingredients, there's no clumping. Add my dry ingredients into the wet and mix that up, and that is your batter that you'll put in your donut pan. With me and you and everybody, all who try to breath while waiting for the... And I'm gonna add some mini chocolate chips, to just a couple of them, and the rest I'll put frosting on. But I already weighed out the mini chocolate chips. That's 8 grams. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it on a couple of them. And this batter usually makes six donuts. I'm gonna put this in the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, about 10 minutes. Oh, baby, my heart's open. You know that I stay. Look at it. Respect it.
Respect it.
All the protein frosting is a little bit of that Quest protein powder, a little bit of Greek yogurt. Super simple. Mix it up. There's your frosting. And now this is the key part. See that? The
sprinkles.
Which ones do you want? We got stars, pink, hearts. The hearts? Okay, so we're gonna put the hearts on there. You can really make these donuts any way you want. You can put peanut butter on them. You can put ice cream on them. I'll do a taste test just so you guys don't think I'm a liar. Oh, it's good. No, not yet. I gotta put the sprinkles on. Oh, that's good though.
One without sprinkles.
Try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. Check out the cookbook. It's really good. Oh yeah. What's going on? How's it?
Delicious.
It's delicious, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Which one are you going with?
Not the one that I took a bite out of.
Alright, we're gonna adjust his neck not while eating a donut, but we're gonna do a seated cervical. It's good, huh? Which brings me to a point: if anyone's ever chewing gum while they come to see me, they gotta spit it out just in case, choking hazard. I don't want to be sued for
Safety first.
$1 million because someone choked on their gum while I was adjusting them. How's your neck feel?
Needs to be adjusted.
Okay. Let it fall. There you go. Alright, so that is going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to do more recipe videos, I will. Just let me know, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.